You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Okay, now for the inside of this one, I cut out some words in the same paper so this will match the frame. So let's turn this over. Take that out. Take out the centers. So now I'm going to use Glad Press and Seal. This I got from my kitchen. I'm going to lay this on here. Okay, now with the press and seal on here, I am going to lift the paper off the mat. If you guys are interested in making the frame that I use on this project, click the link in the upper right hand corner of this video to watch that video. Okay, got it all off of there. It doesn't matter if it has other little pieces. Okay, so now we're gonna glue each letter. We're just gonna put glue on it. Just put dots around them. We're going to take this and lay it down here where we think we want it to go. I want to move this P up. Oh, that worked. Let me just move it a little bit through this. So I'm just patting these all down because there's glue on the bottom. There. It says choose happy today. If you had more contrasting paper, you'd be able to read it better, but I think that's fun. Here's a shout out to some of those awesome people who support my channel on Patreon. Constance, Lori, Faith, Susie, Felicia, Gail, Sonia, Colleen, Mary, Tammy, Lisa, Michelle, Marion, Tamra, Elizabeth, Marianne, Marcia, Heidi, Jenny, Angela, Joy, Donna, Dee, Mary, Therese, Deborah, Debbie, Deanna, Barbara, Diane, Brenda, Christina, Lisa, Melissa, Teresa, Bobby, Esty, Alicia, Deb, Michael, Patricia, Carrie, Debbie, Mari, Tisha, Terry, Sharon, Marcy, Cheryl, Krishanda, Kathy, Jane, Mary, Sherry, Brenda, Ashley, Gail, Savannah, Mary, Crystal, Jean, Tony, Pamela, Sandy, Tasha, Mar, Paula, Melanie, Carolyn, Beverly, Tina, Reggie, Crafting with JD, Kristen, Carol, Sharon, Carol, Veronica, Linda, Donna, Connie, Paula, Brianna, Terry, Barbara, Asha, Dawn, Dorothy, Tracy, Patty, Jackie, Linda, Jan, Tabitha, Darlene, Donna, Shannon, Ginger, Susan, Emily, Misty, Susan, Kathy, Victoria, Pam, Carrie, Sue, Erica, Janie, Lori, Bridget, Debbie, Sue, Marianne, Penny, Connie, Catherine, Connie, Valerie, Mandy, Marnie, Nettie, Connie, Sharon, Selva, Karen, and Deborah. Thanks, guys.